Quiz 2.07, Example 3. For the algebraic proof, if 6x plus 8 over 4 equals 5, then x equals 2. We're going to find the missing parts of this algebraic proof. So the first reason is always the given. And then next we have to get rid of this fraction. So it's dividing by 4, so the opposite of dividing is multiply. So we're going to multiply both sides by 4. Like so. And we can do that because of the multiplication property of equality. And then it becomes 6x plus 8 equals 20. That's simplifying. Now we're going to have subtract 8 on both sides. That's the subtraction property of equality. And this is what we have after we subtract 8 on both sides and we simplify. So this is simplifying. And next we have to divide both sides by 6. And that's the division property of equality. X equals 2, and that is simplifying.